Hey guys, it's Brandon again with Auto Advantage, and today I have a beauty. 2012 Honda Civic EX. Estimated miles per gallon, highway 39. Around town, 29. 130,000 miles, in excellent condition, has Bluetooth, hands-free, has navigation. Let's take a look. Come on. As you can see, power locks, power mirrors, power windows. It's in a stunning blue. Very clean, excellent tire tread. Engine is clean. And of course the reputation that Honda has, and only Honda has, of longevity, minimal problems. Great car for a first car for you guys just getting your driver's license, or for anyone else for that matter that wants to get 40 miles per gallon. Has a sunroof, as I mentioned, navigation, Bluetooth hand-free. It's a 4-door, so you can bring your friends. Excellent vehicle, great gas mileage, good trunk space, quick release to put the back seats down. And as you can see, it's in very good condition. We at Auto Advantage like to rebuild the reputation of used car dealers one deal at a time. We put a warranty that we pay for on every vehicle that we sell. It has a gray cloth interior, 4-door. As I mentioned, it does have navigation, and it is in excellent condition. Here are the hands-free music, hands-free Bluetooth controls. It's very comfortable. Has satellite navigation system, which is engaging now. CD, AM, FM stereo. As you can see, tells me exactly where I am. There I am. We also have financing if you need that. We do take trade-ins, and every vehicle we sell comes with a complimentary warranty. Again, give us a call. Auto Advantage, 1150 Mission, Escondido, California, 760-280-7648. Call and ask for me. My name's Brandon. I'm here to help you, and I will. We do work by appointment only, so give us a call so I can schedule you for a time in on this 2012 Honda Civic EX model, 39 miles per gallon, navigation, 130,000 miles. It's ready to go, and it's priced to sell. Thank you, and hope to see you soon. Auto Advantage, 1150 West Mission, Escondido. Thank you.